The proactive municipal mayor of Ilongos, Honorable Manuel Lenlen R. Villahermosa. A round of applause, please.
Vice Mayor Albert Villahermosa, esteemed members of Seat of Good Local Governance, national validators from the Department of Local and Department of Interior and Local Government, LGOO 8, para Diba Hintuya, LGOO 6, Jeanette Pauline B. Saunoy, and of course, the Provincial Director Annabel D. Asis, distinguished members of the Sangguniang Bayan, mga punong barangays here present, my dear LGU department heads, MGLOO Jessica Husol, LGU members, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning to all.
Good morning.
Today, we Ilocosnons are delighted to be chosen as one of the local government units taking part of the national validation for the Seal of Good Local Governance, as embodied in Republic Act 11292, institutionalizing the Seal of Good Local Governance in the local government unit. Having chosen as a national contender, already an achievement, and we took pride of this recognition after more than 2 years of my preparation under my administration as first-term local chief executive. But it would be better accomplishment if rather this meticulous scrutiny and much fulfilling results awaits at the end. Indeed, to receive an SDLG award, we must pass the assessment criteria across various governance areas: financial administration, disaster preparedness, social protection, and sensitivity, health compliance and responsiveness, sustainable education, business friendliness and competitiveness, safety, peace and order and environmental management, tourism, heritage development, culture and arts, and youth development. This we have our most continuous striving. The reward of good work is much enjoyable work. After all, public office is a public trust. To all LGU officials and employees who work untiringly to make this moment possible, I must say, we have worked hard. We must continue working harder for the good of this beautiful municipality. This notable exercise and process that we are not about to undertake today is a manifestation how far we have been given life to our battle of cry of Angat Ka Ilocosnon. This is a defining moment. To our local persons, my congratulations in advance to our validators, Ma'am Para and Ma'am Janet. You may have an enjoyable perusal and perusal our documents. Sincerely, we are deeply honored by your presence, hoping that you both visit us more often. Your assessment and validation will significantly help us as we move forward in local governance. Thank you, and Angat Ka Ilocosnon.